this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on Razer Kraken mic. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to use the microphone on your Razer Kraken headset, this is a very simple thing to do. Usually, as soon as you plug it into a PC or even a console, it should be turned on by default. So, if it isn't working for whatever reason, I'm gonna give you various different solutions to help you address problems with the Razer Kraken mic. So like I said, make sure that it is properly plugged in. Depending on the model that you have, it is either going to be a USB plug or the standard audio jack connector. So just make sure that you plug it in according to whatever you have available. Now, once it is properly plugged into a PC, try going into a game or joining a Discord call and talking to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then what I recommend is that you open the Windows settings and you go over to sound. Now, I am doing this on Windows 11. For Windows 10, it might be slightly different, but I'm still going to show you what to do. So, when you go over to the sound settings, scroll down until you find input, and now you should be able to find the Razer microphone here. You will notice that I am not using a Razer Kraken to record this video, I apologize, but the process is still very intuitive. In here, you will be able to find Razer microphone, and you have to make sure that it is selected. Not only that, but when you click on the Razer mic, it should also be set as the default one. And as long as it is the default one with audio allowed, you are good to go. If this does not solve the issue, I recommend opening up the control panel. And if you see it sorted by category, go over to large icons and then click on sound. When you click on sound, switch over to recording devices, and in here you will also be able to find the Razer microphone. If you see it disabled, then make sure that you right click and enable it. Once it is enabled, set as the default one, just like you can see here with the one that I'm using, and you will be good to go. If all else fails, you can try downloading the Razer Synapse software, but that shouldn't be needed. As long as you plug it into any of the available ports on your PC, and you make sure that it is enabled as the default input device, it should work without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on Razer Kraken mic. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.